Oh, 3! Just look at them.
Oh, there's my buzzard.
Chaffinch. Oh, kite. When I filmed the last wildlife vlog, I overdid it a bit. And if you saw that video, you'll know why it was totally worth it. If you haven't, do check it out in this video. But now I'm in a lot of pain and I'm struggling to walk. So instead of staying at home and feeling sorry for myself, I have decided to come out and see what wildlife I can see from my car. Getting out Banbury now. Let's get out into the countryside and see what we can find. Look at all those poppies there, they look gorgeous. There's loads of them about at the minute. And lots of other wildflowers over there actually. It's really nice they've actually left these verges here, because often they cut it all back, but they've just left that to go wild and it looks so nice. And of course it's really good for wildlife. Well, it is wildlife, I suppose. It's a little strip of woodland just here and it looks really nice. Just on the edge of one of the villages. It's not a bad little spot to start, I think. Malin is on. Chaffinch. Chaffinch, my first bird today. Just showing you this garlic mustard in fruit now. Been loads of it this year. It's stunning. Don't you think they're absolutely beautiful? I do. It's one of the defining features. Right there. But I didn't stop there long, as it got a bit too noisy. See a little woods, that was good, but that tractor was very noisy. So there's another little lane down here and some good little spots to stop, so I think we will give them a go. Oh, just some magpie, buzzard down that way. You didn't see it. Yeah, the other way. And let's go. See what we find down this way. Moving led me to discover a great little spot down a lovely green lane where, as you'll see in a minute, I found more wildlife than I had anticipated. But before I even got there, I saw some beautiful wild things as I was driving along the lanes. Oh, a magpie, magpie. Go, oh, 3! Beautiful. I really hope you saw those. I do love to see magpies. I'm going to take the 2 that flew across in front of me as good luck for today's little mission. Oh, there's lots of willow herb here on the left-hand side. Some absolutely gorgeous willow herb. I love that gorgeous colour. Hard to describe that colour actually. Lots of botanising down these lanes, but not a lot of places to stop on this section, so we'll carry on through and go a bit further. So I love these lanes. Tree lined, nice wide verges, and a couple of little places to pull up. So I'm going to pull up here and we're going to stop off and see what we can find. A bit different spot to where we were before, but hopefully we might see something interesting or hear something interesting. Either way. We've got the lane over here obviously, and then these beautiful, they're lovely, these trees down here, and then it's arable fields either side. So put the window down.
Once I got to the green lane, I settled into my new makeshift hide and I started to notice the wildlife around me.
Look at him. Oh, there's a couple of them. I do love these guys. Just look at them. How about that? Just enjoying the hogweed. Hedge mustard, I think. See the fruits there? They're all pressed along the stems. They lay along that stem. And they have yellow flowers mostly and fruit now. Looks like it's got some other life on it as well. We've had quite a few birds today, but a bittern I don't think was one of them. Sorry. Chiff-chaff, yeah. Goldfinch, wood pigeon, skylark, definitely lots of skylarks. Pheasant, chiff-chaff, chaffinch even, dunnock, blue tit, yes, definitely. Bittern, no, not today. And what I haven't seen yet are the red kites, and I do normally see them out here, but I haven't seen them today. So, I have to keep on looking. Just rest my camera here, so I'm quite pleased with that. Oh, kite. Just heard a kite. Can't see it yet. I definitely heard him. Oh, listen to that. He's coming this way. It's so cool to see you. There you are. There you are. Okay, so we have had dunnock, whitethroat, sparrow, tree sparrow, skylark, there are loads of them around here, buzzard, great tit, Eurasian tit and long-tailed tit. Not a bad little spot here. Buzzard. Buzzard right there. Oh, it's gone down in that tree again. Has it? Oh no, 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 no. Coming back out. Coming back out to us. Come on this way. Coming this way. Oh, that was worth coming out for me. Totally. Totally worth coming out for. Yeah, that was totally worth it. Buzzard. Mega. They like this tree here. So yeah, this might not be a nature reserve as such, but actually it's turned out to be a really great little spot. Whew. Okay, Well, I'm pretty impressed with that one. I saw way more than I thought I would see. And yeah, I found some new spots to go and visit. So I'm going to be coming back here. I'm going to refine my setup. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of this and more adventures further afield, please do make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and follow along with Wildlife Detective Adventures. I'll see you again very soon.